morning to all. Beautiful prayer, Hami Navodaya ho. And I was from Shivalik House only, so today Shivalik House is on duty, so it is immense pride and I am privileged to be here today. Respected principal sir, honorable teachers, my dear juniors, good morning to all. Today I stand before you on this soil. It is immense pride and gratitude to me to come back to Jawaharlal Navoday Vidyalaya after passing out from National Defence Academy and getting the prestigious President Gold Medal that is given to the cadet who performs overall best in the training for 3 years. Being from a humble background, coming from Navodayan, the tag of being a Navodayan that always motivated me to do good during my training. This school is just not a building of bricks and classrooms. For me, this is a temple of learning, a cradle of discipline, and a place where an ordinary student learn to dream big, learn to join the armed forces not as a soldier but as an officer. Many years ago, I also sat on those classrooms where you sit today, listened to the teachers whom I had listened, who motivated me to do good, and where I dreamed of wearing the uniform by passing out from the National Defence Academy. But I had dreams, but along with that I had doubts. I had ambitions, but along with that I had fear. What transformed those dreams into reality was the guidance of my teachers, the discipline of this school and the values of Navodaya Vidyalaya. Whatever I have achieved today, the foundation is laid right down here in this Navodaya Vidyalaya. Respected teachers, today I bow my head before you with immense pride. You did not just teach me subjects, but you shaped my character, my integrity, my discipline and resilience. You corrected me whenever I was wrong. You encouraged me whenever I was right. I was weak and I believed in me. I doubted myself at times, but my teachers were there to motivate me at every point of my life. My dear juniors, I want to tell you something from depth of my experience. Greatness does not come from the talented ones. It comes from the consistency, sacrifice and self-belief. I also came to Navodaya in class 9th as lateral entry. I was not, you would say, extraordinary, but I was made extraordinary in this Navodaya premises. In class 10th, I topped the district. That was because of the guidance of my teachers. Gunjal sir, Dinesh sir. There were many other teachers. They are transferred from here, but still I remember them, I call them. Never forget your teachers. This is a learning from my side to you guys. When I joined academy, life was tough. Sleepless nights, physical exhaustion, failures, injuries, moments when quitting seemed easier than working hard. Yes, true. You will face time when you will feel like quitting is easier. It is easy to quit than to work hard. But you should not quit. You should work on your goal. Physical exhaustion, sleepless night, these are just part of life. Just remember your school, remember your teachers, and that will keep you pumping through your journey. Winning the President Gold Medal is considered as the highest honor in NDA. It is awarded not only on the excellence for academics, but on the physical fitness, overall leadership, discipline, conduct and character. I want each one of you to understand it clearly. This medal is a proof of student from a humble background, from a Navodaya school, who can stand at any point at the highest nation platform with pride. You don't need experience, coaching or big cities to succeed. As today in the special talk it was told, you are not given those facilities and all. I was also not given those facilities. I am also not from a well-to-do family. My father is a driver, my mother is a homemaker. What you need are big dreams, and with big dreams you need time. And time is very precious. You get it in this Northern premises. You have beautiful teachers. That I am telling you. They are, qualified teachers who will guide you at every point of your life, like they guided me. You just need big dreams, a strong heart and a never give up attitude. You will fail. I also passed my ND examination in my 4th attempt. I qualified my written exam in all 4 attempts, but in my first attempt I was screened out. Second and third attempt conference out on 5th day. In the 4th attempt I finally made it. Even if I made it, I got All India rank 158, but I was not medically fit. My examination was done, my call letter was waiting because I was not medically fit. I entered academy 1 month later than my counterparts who had already joined academy and done 1 year's training. So for me, the motivation was to do good. Even if I had passed out from academy, it would have been a proud moment for Navodaya Vidyalaya that a cadet, a student of there has passed out from National Defence Academy. But for me, doing good was also important. Being from a humble background, being from Navodaya Vidyalaya, that price tag of being a Navodayan always motivated me to win the prestigious President Gold Medal. Not only that, I still remember when I was in class 9 in Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya, Dinesh sir has inducted NCC in Navodaya Vidyalaya. I had joined it in first day and seeing the Ragra, I had left it. I said it is not, my cup of tea. But soon the cadet, we used to say cadet in our academy, so cadet means student. So the student who used to be afraid of drill here became the best cadet in drill in academy. That is what you can also do. Today you might be seeing something which is difficult for you to do, but through your consistent efforts, through learning things, you will exceed in those things. Dream big, work silently, stay disciplined, respect your parents and teachers, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Self-belief is very important. I started my journey here as a student. Today I returned as a soldier, but in my heart I will always be a Navodayan. For my juniors, proud Navodayans, I have a message for you. I want you to understand one thing very clearly. Your background does not decide your future. Your determination does. You doesn't need perfect conditions. You need clarity of goals. Be clear in your goals. I'm not telling you to join armed forces. Be it engineer, doctor, entrepreneur, anything you want. Your goals, your ideas should be clear. You should be aware what you want to do in your life. Consistency in effort and courage in heart. You will fail. Failure is part of success. I had also failed many times. But I got up, started again, and yes, today that is why I am standing here. When I went to academy, I rarely played any game. In Navodaya, we used to play cricket. We used to have teacher versus student matches also. I used to conduct them. So we had cricket, handball, football. But when I went to academy, there were games which I had never seen: basketball, squash, tennis, hockey, football and volleyball were good. But I learned them there. I focused more on them. And then I excelled on those. Those who were already playing those games, I was doing better than them. Why? Because I had the zeal to do good. I had the zeal to learn things. That is what I want you to do. Imbibe in yourself. And always be proud of being an Navodayan. This is a huge family, proud fraternity. Dream big, work silently, and let success make the noise. If you want to join an NDA, some of you maybe start working from today. Be physically fit, mentally sharp, morally strong. Your moral courage should be more than your physical courage. But even if your dreams are different, doctor, engineer, entrepreneur, artist, or soldier, remember, your nation needs excellence in every field. Be it whatever field you want to join, you need to be perfect in that. I know you will say no one is perfect in any field, but at least you can work hard to reach that perfection. And that will make you more strong, more perfect. My final proposition challenge for you. I stand here today not just as an achiever, but a reminder that dreams do come true. And now I place a challenge before you. One day, one of you will stand here with a bigger achievement than mine, and somewhere sitting I would be saying, yes, he's a Navodayan. Be a proud Navodayan. That day this school will shine even brighter. You say, Hami Navodaya ho. So that you never say, Main Navodaya hu. You say, Hami Navodaya ho. You know, this proud family. I always come, whenever I come to leave in every 6 months, I every time visit Navodaya. Many of you might have seen me here in past 6 to 8 months. I always remember this uniform is temporary, but the honor of serving the nation is eternal. For these classrooms to the parade ground of NDA, from a student to a defender of nation, this journey began right here. Dream big, do big, and always don't forget your teachers. They are the one who will motivate you. They are the one who will be standing right beside you when you are at your downfall. They would not be there when you achieve success, but when you will fail, they will be the ones who will be helping you at first. And I thank you and thank the principal sir, teacher staff, teachers, Gunjal sir, Dinesh sir, for calling me here, for interacting with juniors. It is, I am privileged enough to come here When we were students here, we used to stand here, fighting to stand on those last lines so that the sunshine, we could get the sunshine, bunking classes, going for meals in afternoon before the siren. So those things are beautiful. I still remember the classrooms, sleeping in classrooms, teacher asking us to stand outside, PT teacher asking us to, he used to, I think it is still there, PT instructor wakes you up at 5:30 around in the morning. So that was in my time also. So we used to get late. Then we used to get scolded, beaten. Principal ma'am, at my time principal ma'am was there. So she used to come. Then we used to get asked to obey hum log. So it is immense pride. Shivalik House, do good. Always a hardcore, from Shivalik House. But others house are also there. I hope still Udaygiri House is the dead house. Aravali and Sadi Spartans. Nilgiri, I would not name them, that is not a good name. Shivalik House is the best house of all times. But yes, do good, okay? My last message to you to do good and excel in your field. And always think, I had always I would say a rule in my book, Mama's rule. That is called Mama's rule. Anybody who has heard it? Mama's rule is like, I do whatever in my life, will I be able to tell that to my mother? What will my mother react after listening to that? I had that basic rule in my life. That I got Mama's rule. I want you guys to follow it. Whatever you do, will your mother feel pride after you doing that? Will you be able to tell your mother that? That's it. If you excel in, you do these things, you will already excel in your life. And 11th and 12th, students of 11th and 12th, you will be landing into the mainstream. You will see more competition ahead. The world is very big. There are students who are preparing right from class 9, 10th. But don't be afraid. Because you can easily catch them. You get those opportunities here, you will get more opportunities outside. I was also one of like you who went from here, was doing college from Delhi University, Hindu College. So it was difficult for me to, cope up with those students who are already advanced. But yes, when I stood with them, worked with them for 1 to 2 months, I was, with them or above them. So that is what you go. You are shaped there to become a warrior and be one. Thank you to all.